I fell, as you can see. I ruined my very nice, but it was fun. Okay, it was
Yes.
fun. We had to strategize a little bit. She was the fastest on our team, so I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
her go last, and I think that was where we were able to clinch the victory.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need.
It's going very, 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 very wonderful. You can see we are enjoying ourselves here, and I think everybody is happy. My group won all the sports activities. That's the challenge because we were too good, right? Of course, now we were too good, so it's a challenge. Yeah, we won all the sports activities, and we were too good, so it's a challenge to other groups that did not win anything, and they were beefing us.
From the beginning, I've been excited about it. Hair's picnic, and here we are. Right from the start, it's been amazing. Sincerely, we had some fun activities. See, I tried to run. My leg is even paining me, but then it was exercising. I'm serious. If you not come, you miss it. And I'm grateful that we all came out. See the love, man. Look at people. It's not as if we are from different places, just as if we are from one house and everybody's just loving up. We're eating together, and this is actually the essence. And it's beautiful that it was achieved. So I hope that as you're watching this thing, next time when they say, "Hey, come outside," you will come out and you will join the family. Thank you very much.
It was actually a nice experience, and this is like my first time attending because this darling here invited me. So, but she has been inviting me since. So this is the first time I honored her invitation, and it's actually nice. And hopefully you see me soon again.
So far, so good. I'm having so much fun. Like, yeah, this is actually my first picnic, so I'm actually having fun, and they're so lovely. I love the energy, the game activities, and yeah, the food too.
Tell me what